Today, I try to modify my autogate remote control into Wi-Fi control device. I buy a new remote control, which is 330 MHz. This type of remote just need to set the code follow my remote control. First, I remove the button, and soldered 2 wires onto it, and link this wire to ewelink 12V DC Wi-Fi module. This one I have is 2-channel version, you can also use with single-channel version. Connect one of the wire to COM and another wire links to normally open up the relay. Now let's try it out.